Turning data into insights should take a minute. Today it takes hours. You click through endless menus in a traditional BI tool to build charts, you write Python scripts and get something generic. Or you wait for a data scientist who is already busy. The process is a problem, it is slow, it is rigid, and it has not changed in 20 years. We built NVEIL because we believe data science should be a conversation, not a chore. I'm Pierre, CTO and co-founder of NVEIL. Most AI tools in this space are just scene wrappers around a large language model. You ask for charts, it generates code, and you hope the output is correct. We took a different path. NVEIL combined a language model with a deterministic, constraint-based engine. The AI understands your intent. The constraint engine guarantees the result is valid. The right chart type, the right axis, the right scale. Not because we got lucky with the prompt, because the system enforces it. This is live today at app.nveil.com. Free to start, let me show you. This is the NVEIL workspace. On the left, a chat, on the right, your visualization. That's it, no toolbars, no ribbon menus. I drag my dataset into the chat. This is a CSV with Airbnb listing data, prices, locations, room types, and reviews. I type, okay, show me the average price per city as a bar chart, and I send it. You can see the system working, analyzing the data, generating the specification, validating the results. And there it is, a correct bar chart, the right aggregation, the right labels, the right colors. I described what I wanted, and they built it. I can refine it naturally, color by room type, using Vaporwave color palette, for example. Done. The visualization updates in real time. Now I want to see this data differently. Show me the listing on the map, colored by price. Same dataset, completely different visualization. A geographic heatmap of the entire city. I can see where the expensive areas are, where the affordable ones cluster. True prompts, two completely different perspectives on the same data. That is the core experience. Now, let me hand it over to Guillaume, who leads our platform engineering, to show you what else NVEIL can do.
Thanks, Pierre. Let's start with the data manager. This is where all my uploaded files live. I can see each file, its format, its size, and I can sort or filter to find what I need. Every file can be linked to one or more workspaces, so if I have a dataset that I want to use in different analyses, I do not need to upload it twice. I link it where I need it. This is how you keep things clean when you are running multiple analyses in parallel. Now, here is where NVEIL goes beyond visualization. I type, for each room type, filter out price outlier beyond 2 standard deviations of their category, and then show the distribution as a violin plot. A violin plot, with outlier already removed per category. This is a kind of analysis that normally requires writing code in Python or R. I can immediately see that entire homes have a wider price spread, private rooms are more concentrated, and shared rooms cluster at the bottom. And if I click the pipeline tab, I can see the exact data pipeline that Choregraph, our processing engine, created. The standard deviation calculation, a per category filter, a grouping, clearing connected. Your data team can inspect every operation. We support over 50 transformation functions, aggregation, joins, geocoding, time series forecasting, even natural language processing. All accessible through conversation. Now I want to share this analysis. I click Export to Dashboard. I can add it to an existing dashboard or create a new one. And now I can go back to another workspace, build a different visualization and export it to the same dashboard. Each panel comes from a separate analysis, but they all live together. Here is the result. A dashboard built entirely through conversation. No design tool, no front-end developer. I can resize panels, rearrange them, change the theme. And I share it with my team through a simple link. And if you're not sure where to start, this is the Explore Gallery. Every visualization type NVEIL supports organized by category. Statistical charts, geographic maps, 3D volumes, network graphs, and flow diagrams. I can filter what I need and click any card to see a live preview with real data. It's a starting point for inspiration and a way to see the full range of what NVEIL can do.
Let me show you what runs behind the scene. Your message enters a language model that extracts your intent. Then, Choregraph, or data pipeline engine, builds the transformation your data needs. Next, a deterministic constraint solver evaluates every possible chart configuration, mark type, axis, scales, colors, against hundreds of design rules, and select the best one. This is what separates us from pure LLM solutions. We do not guess, we verify. The validated specification then pass through our handcraft rendering engine. Custom-built code that computes transforms, prepares the data, and delegates to the best backend. For example, Plotly for statistical charts, VTK for three-dimensional volumes, DeckGL for geographic maps. And there is more. Each user gets an isolated environment. Your data never touches another session. We are shipping new capabilities every week. In the upcoming months, we are launching an API toolkit so you can embed NVEIL engines directly into your own products. NVEIL is live and free to start. Go to app.adveil.com, try the guest demo with one click, and see for yourself. We would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching.